Hey folks, JD here, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a longer flight with this Parrot Bebop. So what we're going to do is I've put the new battery in her already, and we're going to take her out and we're going to give her a good little flight. We're going to see if we can take her out further, bring her back, take her out further again, bring her back, until I lose line of sight. And as soon as I lose line of sight, then I've got to bring her back. Drone code states it, folks. So what I'm going to do now is we're just going to get her set up, get her sorted. I'm not going to show you any of that because we did that on the first video. And then we're going to take her up and we're going to take her out for a lovely flight in this beautiful, beautiful morning. So with that, my friends, please join me. Alright folks, we're out here again with the Parrot. First things first, let's look at this beautiful sunrise we've got here. Look at that. That is going to be a beauty. Absolute beauty. She looks like she's going to be already. Look at that from my GoPro. That is really nice. Really nice. And she's up high. She's up quite high. Not very high. She's only up at 12 meters. Let's take her up a little bit higher. Let's see exactly how she's doing. She's up at 20 meters. Okay. Up at 20. And she's holding really well. Holding really well. There's that sunrise. That beautiful Bristol sunrise. 21 meters. Okay, let's bring her down. Oh, nice and measured. Nice and measured. Slower, 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 slower. There we go. A lot more forces acting upon her up there. A lot more forces. Right, okay. So let's take her out a little bit. Again, this is going to be quite a nice little measured flight. I want to see exactly how she does. Let's give her a bit of height there. Fair play. Let's bring her around. Testing this battery out for the minute. We're down to 3 bars. 3 bars of battery. Over she comes. Wonderful. Wonderful. Let's move her up a little bit there. Up at 12 meters there. She's doing really nicely. Really nicely. Let's bring her around back to me. There I am, just a little black dot in the distance as she comes hurtling back. Beautiful. Well, we took her right out there to the tarmac where we usually test our cars. Very nice, Mr. Parrot. Very nice indeed. Bring her around to me again. Back around. Down to 2 bars of battery now. 2 bars of battery. Let's take her back out there again a little bit. So let's bring her around to me. Doing remarkably well, little fella. Doing remarkably well. Fair play to you. Fair play to you. Right, let's take her over to another end of the field. A side of it that we don't see that much. Let's bring her back around to me. Fair play. It's nice just to take her on this whole length of the field. There she goes. Ah, and out you go again. Beautiful. Let's stop her there for a second. Let's see how straight she is. Oh, she is remarkably straight. Still moving backwards. She's getting blown by this breeze. Breeze is currently sitting in at around what did I measure it this morning? Just under 6 miles an hour. There we go. She's on top of the clearing there. Bring her around to me. Out at 172 metres. Full length of this field. And let's bring her back. Oh, we're down to 1 bar. Right, I'm going to call that a day. I'm not going to get her to hit the... brakes! I'm not going to get her to hit the battery meter on this. Not when I'm taking her out further and further. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. Right. There we are. Very, very successful flight. Let's do one little trip around here again. Let's see if we can get her to crawl. So if we keep our throttle barely quarter open, let's give her a bit more altitude. So just under a quarter open. Let's give her a bit more again. I don't like being that low. Let's travel her around a little bit. Oh, that sunrise is looking absolutely beautiful. She's very good on movements. Left and right roll, yaw, no problem whatsoever. Haven't had a problem with any sort of movements off her at all, in fact. Very, very, very good, very, very stable. And again, when I took her out, there was no time when I thought to myself, oh God, I'm going to bring this back in now. Very, very nice. Around she comes. Back out she goes. We're hitting that low battery where we gone 1 single bar, which is red. So let's bring her back. Air brakes. Come on, beauty. Right, let's check the landing area's clear. And let's bring her in. There we go. Swivel her around a bit. Right. Let's bring her down. Let's get her where we want her. And let's click landing. There we are. Bam. She's down. We've done it, folks. We have done it. Right. Oh, that was beautiful. That was really nice. Let's turn off liquid. Perfect. Very, very nice. Once again, I keep on saying it, for an older quad, she's fantastic. Absolutely. Changed my opinion once again of her. Take her out and it's just brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. You take her out a little way, you can't hear all that good, so you've got to keep your eye on her. Now, when I went through that clearing in front of us there, went straight through that clearing there a little way, and then turned around, that was where it was getting difficult for me to see her on line of sight. So obviously, as you know, the drone code does specify you have to keep line of sight, so that's exactly what I was doing, and then I brought her straight back. So before anybody says, why didn't you take her out even further? Because I couldn't see her properly through line of sight, so therefore I bring her back. So there we go. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Really, really enjoyed. I hope you did too as well. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening, folks. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.